Welcome back to Autoland channel. Today we have an exciting topic to explore, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup. This unique blend of classic design and modern innovation has been turning heads and sparking conversations among automotive enthusiasts worldwide. In this video, we'll delve deep into the origins of the Beetle, its evolution into a pickup, and what makes the 2026 model stand out. So, buckle up and join us on this journey through automotive history and innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. The Volkswagen Beetle, affectionately known as the Bug, has a rich history that dates back to the 1930s. Originally conceived as the people's car in Germany, the Beetle was designed to be affordable, reliable, and efficient. Its distinctive rounded shape and rear engine layout made it instantly recognizable. Over the decades, the Beetle became more than just a car. It evolved into a cultural icon, symbolizing freedom, individuality, and counterculture movements, especially during the 1960s and 70s. Fast forward to 2026, and Volkswagen has reimagined this classic icon in a way that pays homage to its roots while embracing modern trends. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup is a testament to the brand's ability to innovate while respecting tradition. This model merges the timeless charm of the original Beetle with the practicality and ruggedness of a pickup truck, creating a vehicle that's both nostalgic and contemporary. One of the most striking aspects of the 2026 Beetle Vintage Pickup is its design. At first glance, it retains the classic curves and rounded fenders that made the original Beetle so beloved. However, upon closer inspection, you'll notice a seamlessly integrated truck bed, adding functionality without compromising the Beetle's iconic silhouette. The front fascia features modern LED headlights that mimic the classic round design, blending the old with the new. Chrome accents and retro-inspired color options further enhance its vintage appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 Beetle Vintage Pickup boasts impressive performance capabilities. Volkswagen has equipped this model with a turbocharged 2-liter inline-4 engine, delivering 250 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain ensures that the pickup is not just about looks. It offers the performance needed for both city driving and light off-road adventures. The vehicle comes with an all-wheel drive system, providing enhanced traction and stability across various terrains. Let's talk interior. Inside, the cabin is a harmonious blend of retro aesthetics and modern technology. The dashboard features analog-style gauges reminiscent of the original Beetle, but they're complemented by a digital infotainment system equipped with the latest connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are upholstered in premium materials, offering both comfort and a touch of nostalgia with plaid patterns that harken back to earlier models. Safety has not been overlooked in the 2026 Beetle Vintage Pickup. Volkswagen has incorporated a suite of advanced safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These technologies ensure that drivers can enjoy the vintage experience without sacrificing modern safety standards. The truck bed, though compact, is designed with practicality in mind. It features durable materials and multiple tie-down points, making it suitable for transporting gear, bicycles, or camping equipment. This addition transforms the Beetle from a simple commuter car into a versatile vehicle capable of supporting an active lifestyle. Driving the 2026 Beetle Vintage Pickup is an experience that blends familiarity with excitement. The elevated driving position provides better visibility, while the responsive steering and balanced suspension offer a smooth and engaging ride. Whether navigating urban streets or exploring country roads, this vehicle delivers a driving experience that's both fun and functional. The introduction of the Beetle Vintage Pickup also reflects Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability. The company has incorporated eco-friendly materials in the vehicle's construction and offers an optional hybrid powertrain for those seeking improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. In conclusion, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup is a remarkable fusion of past and present. It captures the essence of the original Beetle while adapting to contemporary needs and preferences. This model is not just a means of transportation, it's a statement of style, nostalgia, and innovation. Whether you're a longtime Beetle enthusiast or new to the brand, the Vintage Pickup offers something unique and compelling. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this blend of classic and modern design. Would you consider adding this vehicle to your garage? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.